Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Many of us know that including green leaves in our regular diet is very good for health. We often choose amaranthus or spinach or sorrel leaves. But have you ever heard of dwarf copper leaf? This is called gold in green curry leaves. Especially this dwarf copper leaf has many health benefits. First of all, you need to take this and then remove the leaves like this and remove the stalks aside and wash it properly and put it aside. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add mustard seeds and 8 to 10 garlic pods and 4 green chilies and 4 red chilies and just give it a quick stir. After giving a quick stir, here I have added 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. That gives an amazing taste and also it's good for health. So you can see there's a nice foam formed on top of it. Now once you're done with stirring it, add the washed dwarf copper leaves into the pan. This is also called as garundi or else ponnaganni. So after you can observe here that the rawness of the leaves are turned out. Now you need to add little bit of turmeric and then stir it nicely. Once you can see that the leaves are nicely fried, now it's time to add potatoes. Here I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes. I have nicely peeled and washed and cut into cubes like this and added, and then I allowed it to fry for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Later here I have taken meal maker. This is a twist in the recipe. This adds another flavor and also kids will enjoy this fry. Normally people prepare this dwarf copper leaf with tur dal, but instead of that you can have like this. This is an amazing taste and amazing recipe. You can have it nicely with rotis or chapatis as you wish. Now add salt to taste and on medium flame close the lid and allow it to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. Our dwarf copper leaf potato fry is all ready. So simple and easy, right? Now with hot rice you can enjoy this curry as you wish. This dwarf copper leaf has many health benefits, as I've said. This is very good. This gives your eye a very good health and also helps to lactate whoever newly mothers are there. It is very good for them. They can have much milk and much quantity of milk and they can feed their babies, and also it's good for your bones. It's also rich in calcium. With such health benefits and amazing taste, don't hesitate to prepare this. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.